Simply Interactive is a web-based software developed by MLD Digits. This tutorial will give you a detailed overview of the features available. By choosing any of these highlighted buttons, different content pieces will open. Here you can see a so-called scatter item. Not only does this item cover information and a picture, which you can change by clicking on it. You can also take the scatter item and move it around freely in the scene. Simply press and hold the left mouse button to then drag the item wherever you want. Additionally, you can scale the item using the mouse wheel to adjust the size of it. If you want to reset the item's position and size, all you have to do is double-click on it. With these features, you have full control over the item in your presentation. Now let's have a look at the different possibilities putting together your Simply Interactive experience. With this software, it is possible to display and use image carousels, 3D players, videos, and even a full web URL homepage. The image carousel enables you to display as many images as desired. You can simply go through these one by one. With the 3D player, it is possible to include any 3D object in your presentation. Not only can the 3D object be moved freely, there is also the possibility to include a configurator to work with the 3D object. If you want to embed videos into your presentation, Simply Interactive offers the most advanced way to do so. Not only can the video player be used like common players, the video also starts playing by default to make your presentation even more living. Last but not least, with Simply Interactive, it is possible to directly embed any web URL desired. Therefore, it is not necessary to leave the application. The website can be experienced directly. As you have seen, every container can be scaled, moved, and put to full screen, which gives you the most interactivity possible. If you already have existing marketing resources such as PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, images, and videos, there is no need to rework those. Simply Interactive makes it easy to embed your material without having to change any of it. The features of this software make it possible to have a complete cross-media application with PPTs, PDFs, photos, and videos. In today's world, it is highly important to cover multiple platforms with a software to make it possible to work from everywhere at any time. That's why we developed Simply Interactive in a way that it can be used on almost any platform, such as Windows, Android, iPad OS, touch displays, Chrome OS, or anywhere on the web. The 3D feature of Simply Interactive is a unique way of making any 3D object experienceable. You can move the object freely, zoom in, zoom out, in real time. On top of that, it is possible to use the 3D player as a configurator, changing the object and its appearance. Furthermore, animations such as an explosion view can be integrated. You can now try this 3D player scanning the QR code with your phone. We now wish you lots of fun exploring Simply Interactive and are more than happy to create your own individualized Simply Interactive experience with you.